Welcome to Kumasi, the capital of Ashanti region. On your screen, you have the Komfo Anochi monument. This is the high priest who commanded the golden stool, which is a symbol of the Ashanti strength. So I'm going to park my car at the culture center. We'll come back to that later. All right, so I'm walking to Kejetia Market. I haven't walked on this spot in about 25 years, so I'm excited to go see the market. This is different from how I used to know it back then. So come with me, let's go explore a typical African or typical Ghanaian market. So these are all second-hand clothing that is sold along the street. Got the shoes, sandals. Salon here. These are like the dollar vans. These are most people commute. Alright, so you can hear the guy shouting behind me now. Basically saying, you know, where the vans are going. So this is the Kumasi Zoo, which is opposite the Kejetia Market. So what happened to this building? They built it and then that's it. Waste of money. Oh. So this is my first time here at the Kejetia Market, the new Kejetia Market. We have a parking lot over here. So I'm in Kejetia. It's the first time I've been here since they built this new facility, and just going through all this place is just beautiful. Look at that, all the beats. We'll come to that. We are here in Kejetia. But just tell me, I mean, what? How many floors?
Yeah, we have 3 floors.
3 floors.
Ground floor. That's where you can get a bunch of people. Where they sell
The beach. Okay, so I have to go there.
That's the ground floor. And then here we are on the first floor.
Okay,
First floor.
this is the first floor.
See the numbers on the floor.
Which one?
F means first.
First floor. Okay, okay.
The rest go up a second
Second floor.
Second floor, right? So you see the numbers start with S.
That's second floor. Okay, F for first floor, S for second floor.
And the down floor is G.
G. Okay.
Yeah. You see, so you're on the first floor. You want anything about you're looking for somebody.
This how do you call catapults? Tire. Okay, good. Okay. Alright, so they sell this in bulk, not as a unit.
That's possible.
So I'm walking through Kejetia with an old friend of mine from high school. My buddy I haven't seen in about 25 years. So, and we just reunited in Kejetia, so which is a good feeling. So these are beautiful African beads which the ladies put around their waist or their ankles or wrists. You have to get one for your girlfriend or your wife. So this is where If you want to buy clothes for funerals, for what, weddings. All right. What's the name of your shop? La J. All right, guys. If you're watching this and you come to Kejetia Market, come to La J.
Yeah.
Ask La J what? La J's mother care and clothing, and ask for Gabriel because he's a man. I want you to shop over here because just say my name, Tony Bazaar, and he'll give you a discount. What's the name of this one?
Yes, being.
Yes, being.
Yes, being.
Like, you know, what kind of world this is, right?
Yeah.
Yes, being.
We live in.
Okay. So,
Yes, being.
look, every Ghanaian cloth has a name.
Yeah.
All right? It's just in the cloth.
We have all those stuff.
Which one?
I have this one called pencil.
Pencil. This is called pencil. And okay. And this is what? Dutch? This is wax, right?
Yeah, ritual. Yeah.
All right. So how much does something like this go for?
300 Ghana cedis.
300 Ghana cedis. It's roughly about $30 for 6 years.
Yeah, for 6 years.
Okay. 6 years. So if you want spices, all right, come to F20 F2725. All right, you can find this. And Mama Udini, say what's your name? Mama Krefi. Come to Mama Krefi store F25. Want to buy? You want? This is Shay. This is a Fomusa. Oh, this is alligator pepper. All right. Oh, this is the first time hearing that. So
I know, in China, they know close to close pepper. I know your pepper.
Where is that? Where's the clothes? Oh, so these are clothes. Okay. Well, we used to call this sudi. I don't know the English name. It's like a dye.
A dye.
It's a dye. Okay. So these. Okay. And now, Bakuya say 10 cities. That's like $1. Or less than $1. Okay. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Be careful. All right. Double place. That's 18, right? Sorry. So this brings you to oh, this is the new Central Market they're building. So this is a view of this is S80, right? And this takes you to Dr. Mansion. This is used to be a hospital over there, but it's a popular taxi station. And this is the new Central Market they're building. This is the old Central Market, but so this is some of the construction is going on over here right now. All right. So this is the new reality. This is the new Kejetia Runabout. The old one has been replaced with this statue of the Ashanti King Otunfo. And so over here, this is PZ. Those who know Kumasi, this is called PZ. And that's a dome over there for you. And then that's Roman Hill. So you see the cathedral over there. It's called Roman Hill. That's Fanti New Town. So this is a jeans shop. So if you need jeans and t-shirts, you come to the shop. What's the name of your shop?
S3122.
S3122. That means you're on the second floor. S3122. In no Amma store. All right. And now, but what's your name?
My name is Sama.
Das Sami. All right. So you come here ask for Das Sami if you want some jeans and t-shirts. All right. Ranek. Say, you move the whole the airful. All right. Good. Listen, you can get a Balenciaga over here. New York City representing me right now. And Louis Vuitton. Listen.
Yeah.
All right, come over here. Okay.
180
180 Ghana.
180.
Roughly about, close about $15. This one.
Plain jeans.
I see the Louis Vuitton jeans over here. Okay. All right. So, guys, you know where to come.
Okay.
All right. So I am at Antigua Guest Enterprise, and she sells jewelries, hats for weddings and stuff like that. Okay. Bags for purse, right? Watches. Okay.
Watch.
All right.
English gold. Your watches.
English gold and watches, right?
Engagement rings.
Engagement rings. So, like she said, anything that has to do with wedding accessories, you guys got to come over here. Until again, until again, right? Yeah. What is the name? So this is S3063.
Yeah.
S means second floor, so 3063. Yeah. Come see until again for your wedding accessories. Okay, thank you. New presses. All right, check this out. See, it's blinging. So we are in Lagoda Ventures, and this is 3047. That's 3047. Okay, I have to say, then I'm I see. So this is for basically the Islam ladies, right? Duku, okay. This is scarves. And, oh, look at that. All right. Okay, nice one. Let's see. Okay, see, this is in Patasi, they're in Kejetia on the second floor. So if you need anything, all right, good. 3D. This is very beautiful. How much did you say? 300 Ghana. Okay, that's roughly about $20-some. Okay. So this is Ohima Prima Enterprise, S3048. And she sells cosmetics. What is this?
Makeups.
Alright, so these are for makeups, okay.
Lipsticks.
Alright, so lipsticks.
Nails.
Oh, okay.
Sprays here.
So they sell school uniforms over here. So if you want school uniforms, just come over here. They show it right over here, so which is very good. Right there. You can try the fittings. Very big place. So many stores. So you have to really know where you're going. So this is the sneaker shop store S1530. So if you need affordable sneakers in Kejetia Market, this is where you have to come.
Welcome to Sofmami Kente Shop. This is Asante Kente. We sell quality kente and ahema.
Okay.
If you want any type of kente, you can contact us.
All right.
Sofmami Kente, you can locate us at Kejetia Gate 12.
Okay, so Kejetia Gate 12 or Sofmami Kente place. And you know, kente is like
very, very quality.
Kente is
affordable.
Definitely, this is affordable. It's very beautiful. This is the rich Ghanaian kente that you want to get for your weddings, for any ceremonial occasion. You need this one, all right? So you got to come over here. This kente is called Fatia Fatankuma. Fatia was the wife of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana. So it's a very popular luxury kente. Okay, all right. So you got to check this out. Oh, I want to say 1,500. And I wear a purchase. We didn't purchase. Okay. So, I Dubai. Okay. So, mo ba mo beto na mo ma pa jefo say. Maybe ne ton and mo ba on e wan kese. Okay. All right. Salmon, our wire. This is salmon. Okay, so this is tuna. Because our wire. About your monto mama mati. Matima madinti ameba say no. As a fish ko ye pa Okay. All right. Catfish. Oh, okay. Okay. What your first say? Idusu. Idusu Alade. Alright, so he sells goat meat. And this is his phone number. 0244. Alright, so when you come, just check us out. Where are you, my dear, right? Okay. Alasa. Alright, okay, good. Thank you. Alright, it's a wrap. We just finished the tour of Kejetia Market. Very beautiful market over here in the Ashanti region, Kumasi. So when you come to Kumasi, just come and check this place out. Just have a feel of the local vibe over here.